Respected Srimati Vivawari Ben Daveji, माननीय श्री भूपेंद्र सिंह चुड़ासमा जी, मैडम शर्मा जी, श्री हनुमंतराव गायकवाड़ जी, and other dignitaries who present on this occasion, my dear brothers and sisters. I am happy to be part of this event regarding the launch of National Mind to Market, an open innovation challenge on Ayurveda and herbal innovation. Let me share the Ayush Connect to this event. As you all aware, Ayush system of medicine have been used since times immemorial to treat the illness and also to maintain the wellness. Ancient medicinal systems such as Ayurveda, Unani, and Siddha heavily rely on medicinal plants, which and are still used extensively in their respective system. COVID-19 has created desired impetus on traditional medicine across the globe. India also witnessed exemplary preventive measure through Ayush, which played a major role in bringing down the incidence as well as fatality rates due to COVID-19. Early release of preventive guidelines through Ayush in January and March 2020 advocate the Chyawanprash and Ayush Court for prophylaxis. An interdisciplinary task force is formed in April 2020, which provides both clinical as well as preclinical guidelines for Ayush intervention for COVID-19 by August 2020. In May 2020, the research and development guidelines notification resulted the initiation on the several studies across the country. Ayush Sanjeevani app documented different prophylactic as well as therapeutic intervention from public and practitioners. The outcome repeatedly suggests that there is a definite advantage with Ayush intervention compared to the modern standard treatment alone. The last 10 months witnessed an increase in demand of herbs, medicinal plant all over the country and in fact all over the world. The announcement on establishing WHO Global Center for Traditional Medicine in India by WHO under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Prime Minister is an indication for the impact India has created internationally through the Ayush. The COVID situation paved way for the future for medical plants and related research in India, along with the huge business opportunities. Taking the route of traditional medicine, traditional China medicine, and India should prepare for the future healthcare management, which is mainly depend on the medicinal plant. Ayush already taking the part and working with the Ministry of Women and Child Development for Ayush intervention in Poshan Abhiyan by establishing Poshan Vatikas in the village across the country. Ministry of Ayush through the National Medicinal Plant Board is providing the assistance to developing school herbal gardens, kitchen herbal gardens, and medicinal plant nurseries. Several medicinal plant cultivation projects are supported by the National Medicinal Plant Board across the country. The end-to-end medicinal plant cultivation starting from QPM, quality planning material, to the supply of quality raw material to the Ayush industry is being envisaged through the Vriksha Ayush scheme. There are about 85 medicinal plant species which are under the cultivation at various places in the country, covering 2.75 lakh hectares of land. Another 1 lakh hectares of the conservation and development area for medicinal plant is also sponsored by the National Medicinal Plant Board so far. The overall volume of the medicinal raw material is estimated to be 8 to 10 lakh metric ton at present, which is expected to be the double by 2022 to 23 to increase the export demand of the various herbs like ashwagandha, tulsi, kali meg, giloy, turmeric, ginger, and other species. The existing turnover approximately of rupees 17,000 crores of herbal raw material would also be doubled in terms of volume by 2022. This will result in achieving the Ayush industry business goal of reaching to $10 million size from present $3 million by 2024. Medicinal plants are also gaining importance in dietary and health supplementary due to their well-known properties and other forms of medicines. Also, there is a growing demand for plant-based medicine, health products, health supplementaries, pharmaceuticals, food supplements, cosmetic, etc. Industry is depending on wild resources still recently. With the increasing demand from decreasing natural population, cultivation of medicinal plant gained momentum, generating the income for the rural population like farmers, tribes, and local communities. The cultivation of a medicinal plant will definitely help the improvement in the rural economy. Medicinal plants have attracted considerable interest among the people due to their potential nutritional safety and therapeutic effects. It has also become evident that plant nutrition not only provides the essential nutrition, but also used as a food which can deliver different molecules with the pharmacological properties. National Medicinal Plant Board is creating a virtual platform to provide the end-to-end support for cultivation of medicinal plant through seed to shelf concept. The e-Charak platform available on Android is an beginning of this innovative efforts. Through this, the farmer will be connected with the industry manufacturers through the buyback mechanism. Ministry of Ayush through its Medicinal Plant Board will create many more innovation and innovative opportunity to the farmers, local communities, as well as the industries. It is apparent from the current development that medicinal plants are going to play a considerable role in public health as well as rural economy. I'm sure such open innovation challenges on Ayurveda will further boost the sector and benefit the entire fraternity and nation. With this word, I thanks all of you. I wish this event a grand success. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.